America, also known as the United States of America, is a country located in North America. It is a federal republic comprising 50 states, a federal district, Washington, D.C., the capital city, 5 major self-governing territories, and various possessions. The United States is known for its diverse culture, economy, and geography, ranging from bustling cities to vast wilderness areas. If you have specific questions about America, feel free to ask. Certainly, the United States has a rich history and a diverse population, with people from various cultural, ethnic, and religious backgrounds. It is the world's largest economy and a leading political and cultural force globally. The country is known for its contributions to technology, entertainment, and innovation, with major hubs such as Silicon Valley in California. The U.S. is also renowned for its higher education system, with many prestigious universities and research institutions. English is the primary language spoken, but due to its diverse population, you can find a multitude of languages spoken across the country. The American political system operates as a federal republic with a presidential democracy. The president is the head of state and government, and the country operates under a system of checks and balances among the executive, legislative, and judicial branches. The United States is famous for its natural landmarks, including the Grand Canyon, Yellowstone National Park, and the Great Smoky Mountains. It has a vibrant cultural scene, with influences from Native American, European, African, Asian, and Latin American cultures. If you have specific aspects of America you're interested in, feel free to ask for more details. Certainly, here are some more interesting facts about the United States. Cultural diversity in the U.S. is often referred to as a melting pot due to its diverse cultural heritage. People from all over the world have immigrated to the U.S., leading to a rich tapestry of cultures, traditions, and cuisines. The national parks in the United States is home to numerous national parks and protected areas. Yellowstone National Park was the world's first national park, established in 1872. These parks are known for their stunning natural beauty and diverse space exploration. China has made significant advancements in space exploration. It has its own space station, known as Tiangong, and has successfully landed rovers on the moon and Mars. Ancient philosophy. Chinese philosophy has deeply influenced the world. Confucianism, Taoism, and Buddhism originated in China and have followers worldwide. Land of innovation. The U.S. has a history of innovation and entrepreneurship. It's the birthplace of companies like Apple, Google, and Amazon, and it continues to be a hub for startups and tech innovation. The military power. The United States has one of the most powerful and technologically advanced military forces in the world, including a significant naval fleet and a strong air force. Civil rights movement. of the U.S. played a significant role in the global civil rights movement. Leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. advocated for racial equality and civil rights, leading to important legislative changes in the 1960s. Festivals and celebrations. Americans celebrate a wide array of festivals and holidays, including Independence Day, July 4th, Thanksgiving, Halloween, and cultural festivals representing various ethnic communities. Sports culture. In the U.S. is passionate about sports. Major sports leagues like the NFL, American football, NBA basketball, Major Baseball, and now ice hockey have massive followings. The Super Bowl, World Series, and NBA Finals are watched by millions around the world. If you have specific questions about any of these topics, or if there's something specific you're interested in, feel free to ask. Of course, here are a few more interesting aspects about the United States. State capitals. Each of the 50 states in the U.S. has its own capital city. For example, the capital of New York is Albany, and the capital of California is Sacramento. Languages. While English is the most widely spoken language, the U.S. does not have an official language at the federal level. Spanish is the second most common language due to the large Hispanic population, and there are also significant communities speaking languages like Chinese, Tagalog, and French. Legal drinking age. The legal drinking age in the U.S. is 21 years old. This regulation is strictly enforced nationwide. The national anthem, the Star-Spangled Banner, is the national anthem of the United States. It was written by Francis Scott Key during the War of 1812 and officially became the national anthem in 1931. Presidential elections, U.S. Presidential elections are held every 4 years. Candidates from the major political parties, Democratic and Republican, compete for the presidency. The election process involves the Electoral College, where each state has a certain number of electoral votes based on its population. Innovation in technology. The U.S. is a leader in technology innovation. It's the birthplace of major tech companies like Apple, Microsoft, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.